morning. Hello my little ones. How are you all? Are you enjoying the online classes? So, now let's do something new. Today, let's first do some warm-up exercise. We'll roll our hands. Roll your hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. Now we will clap our hands. Slowly, slowly, fast. So, in previous session, we learned about fruits. So, let's learn about vegetables. So, vegetables are healthy for us. We must eat roti sabzi every day to keep ourselves fit and healthy. Potato. This is a potato. Its skin is brown in color. It is used for making wafers and French fries. It's yummy. Children love to eat French fries and wafers. Tomato. It is soft and red in color. It is a juicy vegetable. It can be used to make tomato soup. Yummy! This is a lemon. It is yellow in color. It is sour taste. Sour mane khatta. It is used for making lemon juice. Onion. It is an onion. It has a strong smell. Carrot. This is a carrot. Eating carrots is good for eyes. It can be eaten as salad. Lady's finger. This is lady's finger. It is green in color. Kids love to eat this vegetable. Let's revise all the vegetables once again. Potato, tomato, lemon, onion, carrot, lady's finger. Now we are going to do an activity with vegetable, that is vegetable painting, and it will be so much of fun. So let's do an activity. So children, we are going to take lady's finger and potato for painting. So let's start. We cut the lady finger like this, and now we are going to put it in the color. The first color, it is red color. We have taken 4 colors. We will dip it in the red color like this, and we will put it on the, press it on the paper. Again we will do it, and again press it. Can you see? We can make a flower with the painting. Wow! What a lovely flower we have made. Now we will take another piece of vegetable, lady's finger. And now we are going to take a blue color, and we are going to make a lovely flower out of it. We have taken the color in the vegetable, lady's finger, and we are going to now print it. Wow! We have made lovely design. Again we will dip it in the color, and again we will do the stamping with the lady's finger. Wow! Can you see we made another flower? Isn't it interesting? Now we'll take another piece of it and we will put it in the yellow color. And now we are going to make the flower. Wow, lovely. See children, it looks so pretty. Now see children, we have cut the lady's finger like this, straight, and we are going to dip it in the green color to make it stem. We will dip it in the green color. Can you see? We have dipped it in the green color, and now this we are going to press it here, print it here. Wow, we have made a lovely stem. Can you see? We have made a lovely stem of green color. Wow. See children, now we are going to make leaves. For leaves we are going to use a potato. This we will dip it in the green color and we are going to place it like this. See children, we are going to paste it like this. Print it over here. We are using a potato. We are going to use a potato. Wow, what beautiful printing we have done. Did you enjoy? Hope you had fun with learning. Bye-bye. Take care.